Welcome students of class 10 in the period of geography. We are in chapter 10, that is natural vegetation. We are discussing about the types of forests. Today the fourth type, that is the littoral or tidal forest. The climatic conditions of littoral or tidal forest is different from other types of forest, because in other types of forest you have studied clearly about three factors. Those are temperature, rainfall and humidity. But here, under climatic conditions, we will study differently. These tidal forests are found in marshy areas, river deltas, tidal areas and swampy areas. And all these kinds of areas are present at the mouth of the river, that is the end point of the river, where there is logging of water. In those regions we find the littoral or tidal forests. If we see the distribution, these littoral or tidal forests are found in deltaic region, such as the delta of the river Ganga and Brahmaputra, that is named as Sundarban deltas. Another, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, means wherever you will find the delta, such as the delta of Mahanadi, the delta of Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. In all these deltaic regions, we can notice the littoral or tidal forests. The characteristic features: the vegetations of tidal forests or littoral forests are evergreen with different density. We say different density or varied density or different density. As you have seen in evergreen forest, the density is almost same, but here density varies. Number 2, trees trunk are supported by stilt roots. Here it is important to understand these stilt roots. These stilt roots are visible during low tides, when the oceanic waves goes back. That time stilt roots are visible, and again these roots submerge under the water during high tides. Clearly we can say the roots are visible during low tide and the roots submerge into water during high tides. This type of roots are called stilt roots. So the trunks of trees are supported by stilt roots. Climbers are found. These climbers can survive in the soft and muddy soil. Now, the economic values. Mangrove forests are found. Mangrove forests. Mangrove forests, the forests with the stilt roots, are mangrove forests, and the use of mangroves are for fuel. As fuel, mangroves are used. And other important tree is Sundari, that is very famous in Sundarban deltas. This is very costly, and these trees are used for timber, for furniture making, for boat making, for ship making, etc. And at last, mountain forest. The climatic condition of mountain forest: temperature 12 degrees Celsius to 13 degrees Celsius, rainfall between 100 centimeter to 300 centimeter, and humidity 56% to 65%. One more factor is involved in climatic condition regarding mountain forest, that is height. Mountain forest is found between 1000 meter to 4000 meter, between this height. And the distribution, mainly it is found in the region of the Himalayas. It is extended from the Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. It is also found in peninsular India, such as in Vindhyas, Nilgiris and Western Ghat. The characteristic features of mountain forests are following. It has broad leaves and conifers. Conifers are the vegetation, those have needle-shaped leaves. Needle-shaped leaves. You can understand what is the importance of these needle-shaped leaves, because there is a lack of rainfall. So to reduce the rate of transpiration, to reduce the rate of transpiration through which the amount of water is lost by the plants through the stomata, and the roots of conifers are very long, that goes deep inside the earth, so that the root can absorb moisture from interior of the earth. Therefore, both types of vegetations are found, broadleaves and conifers, but all these are evergreen species. Means throughout the year, these leaves, these plants remain evergreen. Evergreen species. So we are seeing there are two types of vegetation, broadleaves and conifers, but both are evergreen species. Now we see in the foothill of the Himalayas, deciduous moist forest is found, and between 1000 to 2000 meter height, moist temperate vegetations are found, moist temperate forest is found. On the basis of height, means we say at first, we say at altitude or at height, these vegetations are called alpine. Again, this alpine is classified on the basis of height. The alpine that is found between 1500 to 1750 meter, that is the cheer pine. The alpine that is found between 2250 to 3000 meter, that is blue pine and spruce. Above 3000 meter, mosses and lichens are present. These are not the vegetation, these are grass type of structure, mosses and lichens. Now we say about the mountain forest of peninsular India or Deccan Plateau. There the heights of the mountains are very less. So between 1500 meter, both types of forests, both types of vegetations are found. Those are tropical and temperate. So once what is important, I want to repeat these things. From starting, I am giving focus to the important points. These climatic conditions are important. Second, distribution. Then characteristics. Distribution is not that much important, but the characteristic features are important. And if you are finding any important tree that has the economical value, those type of trees are important. So climatic conditions, characteristics values and economical values, these three are important.